Alright everybody, I went to visit my sister today, and pulling into her driveway was this beautiful, well, 3 stalks of Canadensis. And so again, we're going to review so that we learn these plants very definitely. Now, one thing in my reading, and if y'all will check the community post, I have found some amazing and interesting things about the genetics of these plants, and I have posted those links in my community post. But one of the things I've been reading is there are multiple varieties of Canadensis, just like there is with the Cereola and with the Barossa, and they are recognized sub-varieties of the main Canadensis, just like with the Barossa. And these are things where there have been anomalies in the cell structure and mutations, and it's where they have adapted to certain growing areas. Certain characteristics change depending on the geographic area and the climate that the plants are growing in, and that's really any kind of plant. That's why we do have multiple varieties of many different plants. So I've been reading about that, and it's absolutely fascinating. But this is a Canadensis, and we know this because of this arrow-shaped tip right here. Now, this is actually pretty consistent in that it has this specific kind of leaf structure, and it goes all the way up, and you can see right here it's starting to change. As it gets to the top, it becomes more narrow, and it doesn't have the little chunks out of it. Now, I am saving the seed head. I was out of sorts for a little more than a week. It may have to do with that burn I had. May have just been I was tired. But I do have several bags now where I have put these seed heads, and I've got to go and make sure I've got them marked accurately. And it is a process. It takes a little while once I've cut them for then the seed to open back up and then make the little floofies. I've got to learn that name and stop calling it floofies, but floofies is a fun word. So I am collecting seed, and I wanted to show you yet another video on a wild lettuce, the Lactuca canadensis. And until next time, have a wonderful day.